This is my Garmin 840 Solar, and on today's ride, it broke. And I want to show you what broke. It's the thing, or is it called the USB-C cover, or the cap, the plug, what other silly names does it go by? The thing that covers the port. I don't know. I'm going to call it the thing for the sake of this video. And I went online figuring what could one of these little things cost. Well, to my astonishment, I was finding prices in the neighborhood of 40 something dollars for the thing. At that point, I decided, you know what, I'll just go to Garmin and see if they have something a little more on the budget friendly side. I called them up and told them I had an 840 Solar, and they said to me, oh, no problem. The thing, by the way, is called a weather cap, and we'll send you one for free. And today the package came in with the thing, or sorry, the weather cap, and I'm going to try installing it, and I want to show you how well it goes. Garmin's got a great video on how to install it, but you know those videos. Sometimes when it comes to you, it doesn't go as smoothly as the video did. So let's get inside now. Try installing a new weather cap that Garmin's. Okay, so I got the Garmin here on the bench, and there is a spot for the weather cap. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take off the rubber case that goes around it. So this is the screw I need to remove first. So I'm going to get in here and remove it. And there's two pieces here. Um, Let me show you what I'm talking about. These two little pieces here just dropped out. So you can see that. Um, so these are going to go back in, and I think they're supposed to hold the weather cap. So I'm just going to drop those into there so I don't lose them. And now I got a nice package here with the envelope. So what I'm going to do here is just cut this guy open. Help me there. And we'll see how big this thing is. Okay, so here is the part. I don't know if you want to see that. If anybody wants to see what the number is, so it's this is the kit, service kit, weather cap and screws. So here's the weather cap, and it gives me two of those. I'm not sure what you would call them. I don't know if they're washers or whatever, and an additional screw. And I guess let's get this thing opened here. Get the weather cap out. I guess that is what's held. That must go right inside, like that. Let's get this off. So, big question is, do I put these on first and then screw it in? Or do I just push this in? Okay, so this is going to be, oh, you know what? I should actually go and check out the video. I'm going to take a quick look at the video and be right back. I am back, and what the video shows is I am supposed to take the weather cap and the retaining clip, that's what they call it, assemble it beforehand, and it looks so easy the way they did it. And this is probably going to be a chore. So they put a weather cap. Now I've got two retaining clips. I don't know why I'm going to put them in as they came out. I don't see them having
I
been
don't know.
broken. Like I said, I don't know how the other person put them in by
Uh-oh.
hand. I'm having a heck of a time. So he's going to grab it with the sort of holder. It's not exactly a tweezer, but I'm using it because it's going to hold the things together. And on the video, the person does it freehand. I don't know how, but I can't do it. Okay, so I'm just going to put those together, line up the holes. Next thing to do is get the screw, and I have in my hand, you can see how small it is. I try this again, and voila. Okay, that's through. All right, so now I got to hold the screw in here, and I need to get the other gap on the retaining clip free because that's going to have to grab onto this. So that's going to go onto that. So this should go like this. So I should be able to grab this and just push it onto there, and that should do it. So now I should be good to go. This should just drop right in. And it kind of does. Oh, the screw came out. Great. I don't know. Yes. Okay. So I want to get it on an angle so I can see the screw and start it up. Okay, I think I got it. Should be able to start the screw now and everything should theoretically start going down. Okay, I think I got it. So let's keep screwing this down. That looks good. Okay, but it's not down all the way, so let's pull this out again. I'm just going to torque this down. It's so hard to get in. I wonder why it's so easy to pop out. And it's been a problem for not just me, but for other people too. That's it. I got it. Yeehaw. We're back to normal. So I got the cover. And, I'm just really curious to see if I could pull it out. No, that takes a lot of doing to get out. I don't understand how the other one come out. All I could figure is the little rubber piece may have broken off. Anyway, that's it. Weather cap back on, or sorry, as most of us normal people call it, the thing is back on. Hopefully that helps somebody out. I'll link the video by Garmin so you can have a look at that, or you can watch me struggle and have a good laugh while I'm doing at it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.